Hello and welcome to a new challenge. Today it's Excel BI challenge 667, and I found this challenge quite appealing because it's a pivot challenge, and if you know me, I don't like pivot tables, but I like the new pivot by function because it's a function and not some crappy stuff. So yeah. Okay, those are not numbers, but anyways, I think I will do this with numbers, or we can, don't know if we can translate it. Oh, it's not a pivot by function stuff, because here, I don't think that we can use here pivot by, but we will see. Okay. First, the date, then the sales, weekdays. Weekday day serial type is 2. I like the 2 type more than 1 type. And the month. month or text value, the format and yes, I know my month thing will be a little bit different because I'm in German settings, but anyways, only like the names are a little bit different. Now unique months, unique months, and unique weekdays. And now I need a mapping of TOROW, not TOROW, TOROW. We want to have the weekdays and the unique weekdays. Oh, sorry for that, and unique months. And I think first the weekdays I should sort them. No, I can't sort them. I need to sort them here. Is it working? Okay, first I need to check if the unique weekdays will work. Oh yes, I have this as a number. Then I need this as, is there some format setting for weekdays? I don't know, let's find out. Text, format setting, weekdays, Excel. Function. DD. Oh yes, I know, I used it before. So text and then DD. Is it a small d? Oh, for me it's TTT. 40s. No, 30. For me it's this because I'm on German settings, as I said. But then I think I need to do this way. Yes. Okay. You need DDD here and not TTT, because in German it's Tag and not days as in English. Okay. So now we can map this. Oh, yeah, let's map it. TOROW to WD, unique weekday, and unique month, lambda A to show this. Yeah. And now we want to find out how often this is the case or this combination appears. So we filter and then use ARRAYTOTEXT on this. filter the sales. So as if text text weekday format TTT and the month, so M equals A. Here we are. Yes, we have some errors, but they are not important. We can use if error if and A. Is if and A sufficient? I think so. No. It isn't. So we need if error. Yeah. Okay. Now we need to adjust here the headers, and therefore HSTACK VSTACK and not VSTACK HSTACK. Do it that way. VSTACK HSTACK month minus day and UVD, and then HSTACK unique month and this stuff, two brackets. There's something odd. Yes, TOROW UVD. Okay, is there something I can spare somewhere? Text unique sort. Probably this could be more efficient. Could be done more efficient. I have 2 times TOROW UVD. So TOROW UVD here, and get rid of it here and here. And now it should be fine. So let's bring it on LinkedIn. And oh, there are a lot of answers here. Oh, here was pivot by used by Chris. Interesting. So it could be done with pivot by, but yeah, I think I need to do more in pivot by and learn it a little bit more. So thank you for your attention. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.